Surah Al-Haqqah, the inevitable event. This surah is Meccan, containing 2 sections and 52 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
الحاقة.
The inevitable event.
ما الحاقة.
What is the inevitable event?
وما أدراك ما الحاقة.
And what do you know of the inevitable event?
كذبت ثمود وعاد بالقارعة.
Thamud and Ad denied the catastrophic event.
فأما ثمود فأهلكوا بالطاغية.
So as for Thamud, so they were destroyed by a piercing cry.
وأما عاد فأهلكوا بريح صرصر عاتية.
And as for Ad, so they were destroyed by a severe, clamorous wind.
سخرها عليهم 7 ليال و8 أيام حسوما فترى القوم فيها صرعا كأنهم أعجاز نخل خاوية.
He subjected them to it for 7 nights and 8 days consecutively. So you would see the people lying overwhelmed therein, as if they are fallen dry trunks of date palms.
فهل ترى لهم من باقية.
So do you see any survivor from them?
وجاء فرعون ومن قبله والمؤتفكات بالخاطئة.
Pharaoh, those before him, and the overturned villages, all committed sin.
فعصوا رسول ربهم فأخذهم أخذة رابية.
So they disobeyed the messenger of their Lord, so he seized them most severely.
إنا لما طغى الماء حملناكم في الجارية.
We made you board the ark when the water rose high,
لنجعلها لكم تذكرة وتعيها أذن واعية.
that we may make it a reminder for you, and remembering ears may remember it.
فإذا نفخ في الصور نفخة واحدة.
When the horn will be blown once for the first time,
وحملت الأرض والجبال فدكتا دكة واحدة.
and the earth and the mountains will be lifted, then in an instant they will be crushed into dust.
فيومئذ وقعت الواقعة.
So on that day the occurring event will occur.
وانشقت السماء فهي يومئذ واهية.
The sky will split, so it will be extremely weak on that day.
والملك على أرجائها ويحمل عرش ربك فوقهم يومئذ 8.
The angels will be standing upon its boundaries, and 8 angels will bear the throne of your Lord on that day above them.
يومئذ تعرضون لا تخفى منكم خافية.
On that day you will be presented for judgment. No secret of yours will be hidden.
فأما من أوتي كتابه بيمينه فيقول هاؤم اقرءوا كتابيه.
So as for the one who will be granted his record of deeds in his right hand, he will say, Here, read my record of deeds.
إني ظننت أني ملاق حسابيه.
Indeed, I was certain that I would meet my accountability.
فهو في عيشة راضية.
So he will be in a pleasant life,
في جنة عالية.
in an elevated garden.
قطوفها دانية.
Its fruits will be within reach.
كلوا واشربوا هنيئا بما أسلفتم في الأيام الخالية.
It will be said, eat and drink joyfully as recompense for what you sent forth in days gone by.
وأما من أوتي كتابه بشماله فيقول يا ليتني لم أوت كتابيه.
And as for the one who will be given his record of deeds in his left hand, he will say, Alas, would that I had never been given my record of deeds.
ولم أدر ما حسابيه.
And I had not known my accountability.
يا ليتها كانت القاضية.
Alas, would that it, i.e. death, had ended my matter.
ما أغنى عني ماليه.
My wealth has not availed me.
هلك عني سلطانيه.
My power has gone from me.
خذوه فغلوه.
The angels will be commanded, seize and shackle him.
ثم الجحيم صلوه.
Then cast him into the blazing fire.
ثم في سلسلة ذرعها 70 ذراعا فاسلكوه.
Then shackle him with a chain the length of which is 70 cubits.
إنه كان لا يؤمن بالله العظيم.
Indeed, he did not believe in Allah, the Supreme.
ولا يحض على طعام المسكين.
And he would not encourage feeding the destitute.
فليس له اليوم هاهنا حميم.
So this day, he has no friend here.
ولا طعام إلا من غسلين.
And there is no food except the pus of the people of the fire.
لا يأكله إلا الخاطئون.
None will consume it but the sinners.
فلا أقسم بما تبصرون.
I swear by that which you see,
وما لا تبصرون.
and that which you do not see.
إنه لقول رسول كريم.
Indeed, it is discourse with a noble messenger.
وما هو بقول شاعر قليلا ما تؤمنون.
And it is not the speech of a poet. You have very little certainty.
ولا بقول كاهن قليلا ما تذكرون.
And it is not the speech of a diviner. You seldom heed advice.
تنزيل من رب العالمين.
A revelation from the Lord of all the worlds.
ولو تقول علينا بعض الأقاويل.
And had he ascribed a fabricated statement to us,
لأخذنا منه باليمين.
we would have certainly taken severe retribution against him.
ثم لقطعنا منه الوتين.
Then we would have severed the artery of his heart.
فما منكم من أحد عنه حاجزين.
So none among you could prevent it from him.
وإنه لتذكرة للمتقين.
Certainly it is counsel for the pious.
وإنا لنعلم أن منكم مكذبين.
We know that there are deniers among you.
وإنه لحسرة على الكافرين.
It is a source of remorse for the disbelievers.
وإنه لحق اليقين.
And indeed it is an absolute certainty.
فسبح باسم ربك العظيم.
So dear beloved Prophet, glorify with the name of your Lord the Supreme.